Hello, everyone. My name is Lexi, and welcome back to my English podcast. I'm so excited today because we're talking about something super important. We're going to learn how to train your brain to think in English. This is a big topic, right? But don't worry, I'm going to make it easy and fun for you. Are you ready? Let's go. The problem: translation in your head. First, let me ask you something. When you speak English, what happens in your brain? I know what happens. You think of a word in your language first. Then you translate it in your head. Then you speak the English word. Am I right? I did this too when I first learned English. For example, I wanted to say, I'm hungry. But in my head, I thought the words in my first language, then I translated, I am hungry. It was so slow. My brain was working so hard. This is normal. Many students do this. But here's the problem. Translation is slow. It's hard work for your brain. So what's the solution? Think in English. No translation. Just English in your brain. Sounds impossible? It's not. I'm going to teach you 3 tips to train your brain. Let's start. The first tip is, think in small sentences all day long. Wait, what does this mean? Let me explain. Don't just think single words like pen or coffee. No, think in complete sentences. Small, simple sentences. For example, right now I'm sitting at my desk. In my head, I think, I am sitting. I have a pen. My pen is blue. Luna is sleeping. She is so cute. See? Small sentences. I'm not writing an essay in my head, just simple thoughts in English. Let me give you more examples. In the morning, when you wake up, think, I am awake. I am tired. I want coffee. When you brush your teeth, I brush my teeth. The water is cold. My toothbrush is green. Oh, I have a funny story. Last week I was practicing this. I was making breakfast and thinking in English, I am making toast. I put butter on the toast. It smells good. But then Luna jumped on the counter and knocked over my coffee. And in my head, I immediately thought, oh no, Luna is bad. My coffee is everywhere. See? Even when something goes wrong, my brain thought in English. That's the goal. Your turn. Look around you right now. What do you see? Try to think in English. I see a phone. I see a window. The window is big, just small sentences. Try it. The secret is, do this all day. When you're walking, when you're cooking, when you're on the bus. Connect English to your life, not to your language. Tip number 2, listen and watch. It means input. What is input? Input is English going into your brain, English in your ears and in your eyes. How? By listening and watching. When you listen to easy English, like this podcast, your brain hears the patterns. You hear I am, you are, I have, she is. Your brain learns the rhythm, the music of English. This is so important. Listening gives your brain English food. Your brain needs this food to grow strong. So what should you listen to? First, podcasts like this one, easy English podcasts at A1 to A2 level. Listen while you're cooking, while you're walking, while you're on the bus. Second, simple songs. Find English songs you like. When you like the music, listening is fun. It's not work. I love listening to simple pop songs. They're very repetitive. The words repeat again and again. This helps your brain remember. And what about watching? Watch simple videos about things you love. This is super important. Choose topics you're interested in. Do you like cooking? Watch simple cooking videos in English. The person says, I cut the tomato. I add salt. I taste it. It's delicious. You see the action and you hear the words. Perfect. Do you like sports? Watch short videos about your favorite sport. He kicks the ball. It's a goal. The team is happy. I love watching drawing tutorials in English. The artist says, I draw a circle. I add color. Now I draw the eyes. I'm learning English and learning to draw better. Win-win. The key is, choose things you like. If it's boring, your brain won't learn. If it's interesting, your brain is happy. And a happy brain learns more. Tip number 3, output, speak. But Lexi, you might say, I'm alone. I have no one to practice with. That's okay. You can speak to yourself. I know. You think people will think I'm crazy. But do it in your room, in the car, in the shower. Nobody can hear you. Speaking to yourself is a fantastic way to train your brain. Your ears need to hear your voice speaking English. What should you say? Look around your room and describe it out loud. Try it with me. This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a lamp. The lamp is on. I see a window. The window is closed. See? Easy. You're connecting the thing you see with the English word. No translation. You can also talk about your day. At night, before you sleep, say, Today I woke up at 7. I ate cereal for breakfast. I studied English. I talked to my friend. I am tired now. My brother Tom thinks I'm so weird. Sometimes he hears me in my room saying things like, I'm drawing now. The pencil is sharp. This looks good. Oh no, I made a mistake. He says, Lexi, are you okay in there? I tell him, yes, I'm training my brain. And you know what? It works. The more I speak to myself, the easier English becomes. Practice now. Say 3 sentences about what you're doing right now. I am listening to Lexi. I am learning English. I am happy. Go ahead, say it out loud. So now I want to know, what do you do to train your brain? Do you listen to English music? Do you speak to yourself? Do you watch cooking videos or sports videos? Tell me in the comments. I want to read your tips. Maybe I can learn something new from you. Remember, practice every day, be patient, and have fun. You can do this. I believe in you. Thank you so much for listening today. You're amazing for learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to my podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.